Picture this. Fries untouched, the table getting colder, and one line. What if my old arrest shows up and they take the kids? And suddenly, you've lost the whole night. Welcome to Danny's Den. Today, we're digging into 5 legal myths that sneak into relationships, into parenting plans, and even into game day rituals. And I'll give you concrete phrases and timelines you can actually use. Let's chat.
What if the judge sees my charge?
Short answer, not necessarily. Long answer, judges focus on present fitness, safety, stability, and the child's needs. A headline or an old arrest on your record doesn't automatically trump years of steady parenting.
Look, I get why that text makes your chest tighten. I hear it at consultations all the time. But courts weigh patterns and current circumstances more than a single old incident.
If you're worried, do 3 concrete things. First, request any available records so you know exactly what exists. Second, gather proof of rehabilitation or counseling if it applies. Third, collect recent, specific evidence of steady parenting. Think attendance logs, school emails, pediatrician notes. A quick line that calms a partner. I want to be transparent. Here's the context and the steps I took. Would you like to see the documents? Say it calmly. Show the receipts. Move the conversation to facts, not fear. Now, myth 2. Assuming casual promises are enforceable. A verbal, sure, take him this weekend, feels fine in the moment. Trouble starts when plans change and memory diverges. Make 3 tiny habits and you'll avoid most headaches. 1. Confirm important swaps with an email within 24 hours. 2. Send a calendar invite the moment you agree. 3. If a swap repeats, say 3 times in a month, email a 1-paragraph summary and keep it for 6 months. Try this when you finish a verbal deal. Great, I'll pick her up Saturday at 10. I'll send a calendar invite now so it's on both our phones. It's that simple. Confirmation beats confusion every time.
I thought Saturday was my weekend. You didn't tell me.
When that happens, don't escalate. Pull up your calendar invite or your email trail and say, I see we agreed on this. Can we adjust or swap something to make it fair? The goal is to keep the kids' time predictable, not to score points. Third myth. Dating as a single parent automatically hurts custody. Nope. Courts look for safety and stability, not who you're seeing. But there are smart, specific rules that protect everyone. My concrete guidelines. Wait 3 to 5 dates before introducing someone to your kids. Avoid overnight stays in a home used for shared custody until both parents agree. And if there's any safety concern, keep introductions off the table entirely until it's resolved. A calm opener you can use. I respect our arrangement. I'm dating someone and I'll touch base before any first meeting with the kids. Is there anything you'd like me to consider to make introductions smoother? Short, respectful, and cooperative. Let's switch gears. Rituals. Sports, season tickets, Sunday routines. These are memory anchors for kids. They matter. Losing them because adults didn't negotiate is avoidable. Be specific when you negotiate. Don't say, we'll figure it out. Offer options. Split ticket blocks every other year. Alternate marquee games. Or create a Saturday-Sunday rotation. Example, our kids do best with predictable Sundays. Can we agree I take home Sundays on odd-numbered weeks and you take even-numbered weeks? If season tickets are the issue, propose one clear fix. Either swap equivalent value games or sell and split proceeds. Keep the kids' access steady. That's the priority, not who keeps a physical seat. When words alone aren't enough, bring in a neutral, a mediator or family lawyer. You don't need a fight. You need clarity. Say, I don't want assumptions. Would you agree to a short mediation session to formalize this? That frames help as partnership. Before I give you pocket scripts, a quick reminder. This episode is general information, not a substitute for legal advice. Laws vary by state. If your situation feels complex or risky, check with a local attorney.
3 short scripts to use now. 1. Past incident. I want to be transparent. Here's the context, what I did after, and these documents that show progress. 2. Custody swap. Can I send a calendar invite now so we both have it on the schedule? 3. Dating intro. I'll wait to introduce anyone until we agree on timing that keeps the kids comfortable. Music matters too. Shared playlists and a family anthem signal safety. My pick tonight, an upbeat classic soul track. Something like Ain't No Mountain High Enough. Play it on the drive to the stadium or as you walk in the door. Small rituals like that say, we're still a team.
Quick recap. Don't let old fears steal a night. Focus on present fitness. Document swaps within 24 hours. Use calendar invites. Wait 3 to 5 dates before kid introductions. And make sports rituals predictable with specific, fair plans.
If you want a starting habit, after any verbal agreement, send one sentence in an email or text and a calendar invite within 24 hours. That 5-minute habit saves months of stress. Thanks for spending this time with me. If you have a specific legal issue and want help, email Danielle at thelegalassistantcenter.net to book a free 30-minute consult. And if this episode helped, subscribe to Danny's Den for weekly takes on law, love, parenting, sports, and music. Let's chat.